Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll explore the AQUM Antidetect browser. Let's start the review and explore what AQUM has to offer. The Chromium-based AQUM Anti-Detection browser is designed to enhance anonymity and facilitate the management of multiple accounts, making it an excellent resource for arbitragers and advertising specialists. Its primary function is to alter browser fingerprints, effectively concealing users' real locations and devices. Key advantages of AQUM include: the browser generates unique and plausible fingerprints that do not leave digital traces online. AQUM supports cloud storage of profiles, further securing users' location, IP address, and personal data while offering prompt customer support. Now let's move on to the pricing plans. AQUM offers several subscription options designed for various user needs, featuring flexible configurations for different numbers of users and browser profiles. The 7-day free plan allows new users to explore the browser, supporting one user and up to 5 profiles, perfect for getting acquainted with AQUM's features. The starter plan at $19.99 caters to individual users with up to 50 profiles and includes the creation of 2 templates for quicker setup. For more extensive needs, the personal plan at $59.99 supports one user and up to 130 profiles, plus the ability to create 4 templates and migrate profiles. The team plan at $159.99 is designed for small teams, supporting 3 users and up to 350 profiles, and includes 6 template creations, API automation, mobile app access, and cookie migration. The professional plan at $299.99 fits larger teams, allowing 8 users and up to 1,200 profiles, with 10 templates and advanced features for cookies and stored proxies. For maximum flexibility, the custom plan tailors to any specific needs by including all features of the other plans with customizable numbers of users and profiles. Contact a sales manager for detailed pricing. Additionally, opting for a long-term subscription can result in a discount ranging from 10 to 30%, adding value for longer commitments. Let's explore the interface of the browser and take a closer look at the main tabs. When you launch the AQUM browser, you are greeted by a section displaying existing user profiles, equipped with a quick profile function that automatically generates random parameters like user agent and browser fingerprint for enhanced privacy. To start creating a new profile, click on the Create Profile button, beginning with naming your profile for easy identification. Choose from available operating systems, Windows or Mac OS, and select your preferred browser version. Here you can also add bookmarks and set a start page for a customized browsing experience. On the right side of the interface, you have options to add notes and apply tags, which aid in organizing and managing profiles more efficiently. Moving to the General tab, configure vital parameters such as the user agent, language, time zone, and geolocation to align with your browsing needs. In the Hardware tab, set specifics, like the number of processor cores, amount of RAM, and type of video cards. This tab also allows you to configure audio devices and functions like WebGL, Canvas, and Client React. The Connection tab is where you can attach a proxy server to your profile by either adding a new one or selecting from previously saved entries. Specify details such as protocol, IP address, port, and authorization data. After verification, the proxy server is connected to the profile. For more guidance, refer to our on-screen annotations, and don't forget to choose a DNS server on the right if needed. In the Extensions tab, download the necessary extensions to enhance your browsing capabilities. The Cookies section allows you to manually input cookie files or upload them in TXT or JSON formats. Finally, the Vault section offers options to select items for automatic saving in the cloud, ensuring your data is backed up securely. Once all settings are configured, save the profile template for future use. The browser also provides an option to generate a random browser fingerprint for additional anonymity. Any created profile can be edited, copied, moved, and its history and backups viewed. You can also clear the cache to keep your browsing smooth and uncluttered. Let's explore the additional sections of the browser to understand more about its extended functionalities. In the Proxy tab, you can add individual proxies or import a list with support for HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 protocols. Stored proxies here can be conveniently selected for new profiles. Although not available in the free plan, the Patterns and Teams tabs offer valuable capabilities. Patterns store all saved profile templates for easy application, while Teams displays a list of all team members, enhancing collaborative efforts. The Extensions tab allows for the downloading of necessary add-ons from the Chrome store or as zip files, which can be attached to profiles as needed, expanding the browser's capabilities. Track all financial transactions in the Balance tab, where you can also top up your balance, engage with the referral program, and choose your subscription level. The Trash tab holds profiles deleted in the last 30 days with a simple one-click restore function for accidentally deleted profiles. You can customize your browsing environment in the Settings tab by selecting from light and dark themes and choosing interface languages such as English, Russian or Ukrainian. Also, you can manage bookmarks, review tariff features, enter promo codes, adjust proxy settings, and generate an API token for mobile app integration here. By the way, you can enhance on-the-go productivity with a mobile application which allows you to monitor profiles and team activities and invite new members directly from your mobile device, ensuring efficiency is maintained wherever you are. Based on our review, it's clear that AQUM is a robust new tool designed to ensure user anonymity, providing unique fingerprints that leave no digital traces, featuring a user-friendly and multifunctional interface that facilitates collaboration. AQUM is well suited for both companies and individual users. The browser is versatile enough to handle various tasks, and with a range of tariff plans, including a free subscription, users have the opportunity to practically assess its capabilities and see how it can meet their specific needs. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.